Mintis pa yung tira ni Asaytono pero nasa kanila yung bola. At pasok yung tira ni Asaytono pero Alan Kaydik nasaktan pa.
And I think he must have hit his, his solar plexus.
Oo,
And he's in pain. He's definitely in pain.
75-73 in favor of Gordon. Wilmer Ong. Yes!
Now that I think is a very major basket from Gordon. Needs a basket and they don't know who to go to, but Freddy Abuda getting it in transition.
61-60. Fourth quarter action. Kung babalikan po natin ang tatlong laro na naganap between Gordons and San Miguel, ang naging diferensya po, walang lumaki sa 4 na puntos. That was the only win of San Miguel over Gordon, 88-84. But take a look again into the scoring by quarters. A reversal sa bahagi ng
Totoo yan.
first
Only
quarter.
16 points scored by San Miguel Beer in the third period and a big 26-point explosion by Gordons in the same quarter, fueled by the living legend himself, Robert Jaworski. He's made the difference.
At pagpasok niya. At eto na naman, Aquino! Meron ng shot, meron pang foul. At tuloy pa rin ang gana ng Gordon's Gin Boars.
Marlo Aquino does not now have to post up because he's moving in without the ball. He got the ball in perfect position. A reverse. He will get the shot and the bonus.
Ngayon lang uli lumamang itong Gordon's Gin. Huling lumamang to, first quarter pa.
Totoo yan. Biglang nag-evaporate
Oh.
ang malaking kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer in the face of this furious transition attack.
62 ang Gordon, 61 ang San Miguel. Huling lumamang ang Gordon. Kanina pa yung first quarter, 2018 pa ata kung hindi tayo nagkakamali, partner, ang score. At ngayon lang uli nakatikim ng lamang. Lumamang ng 14 ang San Miguel. Pinawi ng Gordon. De La Cruz, walang makakashot dito sa bahagi ng San Miguel.
Malakas yung tira ni Art De La Cruz. Nelson Asaytono still sitting on the bench. Mustra also sitting on the bench.
Jaworski, hinahanap ang kanyang paboritong point guard na kalaro. Yan po ay si Valdavid. 10 segundo, umatake sa may baseline. Nakalusot, lumi-up, pumasok ka naman!
Iba na din ang galaw ng Gordon's Gin. They're playing very confident basketball at this stage.
Fourth quarter na itong bahaging ito ng laro kinito.
Partner si Valdavid already with 13 points.
He's in double figures. The lead of Gordon is 3, 64-61. De La Cruz. Tunaron. Pinikean. Jumam shot si Naron. Malakas yan. Loksin para sa rebound. Eto si Hison. Tumira mula sa 3 si Hison. Hindi pumasok. Tapikan. Nakuha ng San Miguel ang bola.
Partner, you have a situation here where San Miguel Beer needs a basket and they don't know who to go to, but Freddy Abuda getting it in transition.
Okay, at alam mo, nakausap kanina si Coach Ron Jacobs at kinito, gusto nating marinig yung sinabi ni Coach Ron Jacobs tungkol sa posibleng mangyari sa laro.
They beat us on David's half-court shot at the very last second, and then we beat them by 4 points. And the last time we played in the semifinals, they beat us by 1 in the last 2 seconds. And we feel that we're very fortunate if we could just stay close to them, and hopefully it will come down to the last minute or two, and we can steal the game.
Partner, tignan natin kung mukhang magdidikitan to. Dikit na nga actually yung score ngayon.
Exactly.
64.
You can't get any closer than this. But a big 3-point play by Freddy Abuda, easing the pressure. Take a look at the 30% field goal percentage shooting of San Miguel Beer sa third quarter, and 67%, close to 70 shooting by Gordon, because a lot of those came from layups and baskets from up close.
And
Alan
here,
Kaydik.
Umeke, lumi-up. Pasok na yung tira niya. So lamang na naman ang San Miguel Beer. Pero ang napuna ko dun, partner, yung 8 assists ng Gordon kontra sa 3.
Yes. And Robert Jaworski, kung di tayo nagkakamali, mga 4 yata ang assist niya, o 5
Yes, at,
in that particular sequence. But he has set the tone for Gordon's Gin here by his re-entry in the third period.
Loksin, the turnaround shot, kapos! And medyo lost dito si Loksin offensively para sa Gordon.
Well, actually that was a good shot that he took. Of course, he had to create a situation for him to make the shot.
And Valdavid, foul on him. That's number 1 on Valdavid. Tala, palitan ng tao. Jaworski and David replaced by Gayoso and Harencio. Ano sa tingin mo magiging posibleng epekto nito sa laro ng
Well, I
Gordon?
think now that Jaworski is sitting down, there is a big responsibility in the shoulders of Harencio to show the leadership that he did. Of course, Harencio is also a veteran like Jaworski. 2 fakes, Another basket by Alan Kaidik. That's 2 in a row for the Triggerman.
18 points para kay Alan Kaidik. One of his more prolific evenings tong konferensyang ito.
Ito na yung low post.
Mhm.
And a kick out.
And blocking foul there on Ives Dignadice. Ang say niya si referee De Leon. Number 4 on Ives.
Dignadice called for that foul, and they will give 2 shots to Vince Season on the drive.
Well, binawi ng referee. Sideline na lang daw.
Sideline.
Ibigay.
Akala ko 2 shots.
Oh, dahil parang paklis na rin siya patungo sa
Oo.
basket nun eh.
Akala ko nga, act of shooting na halos.
Pero binigay sideline. At ito si Marlo, double team.
Kick
Gayoso.
out.
Wow! Pasok yung kanyang triple V shot.
Triple V, pangalawa na yan ni JV Gayoso.
And
You know,
that will keep the
perfect setup.
momentum.
Yeah,
oh.
perfect setup. When you have a good outside shooter and a good low post player, the low post player, if he doesn't have the shot, he will kick out.
68-67. San Miguel by a point. Now by 3 points. Art De La Cruz making things matter para sa kanyang koponan ng San Miguel Beer.
Well, talagang di kita nito.
Harencio going to Hison. Si Hison, ang lamig dun pagkatapos ng first quarter ng sunod-sunod na
But you know,
basura.
you expect Vince Season to explode. And same as this player,
Yes!
Noli
and-
locked in. They usually reserve their heroics in the fourth period.
At pag nagkasunod-sunod yan, alam mo, problema yan para sa San Miguel. So, di kita na naman.
Totoo yan.
70-69.
And if JV Gayoso continues to wax hot from the outside, it's going to be a big headache here for San Miguel Beer. Now, Aquino is called for the foul. The drive by Dignadice down the baseline.
Third foul on Marlo Aquino. 2 free throws for Dignadice. 8 minutes and 11 seconds po dito sa fourth quarter. Ang lamang ng San Miguel Beer, iisa lamang, 70-69.
Last 2 plays of San Miguel Beer, hindi nakahawak ng bola si Nelson Asaitono.
Oh, missed shot para kay Ives Dignadice, the San Miguel Slayer.
That's right, it's Val David. Take a look at the minutes that he has played against San Miguel Beer. 32 against his conference average of 29. Val David, tremendous stats so far. He's got 5 assists and 13 points. He's resting on the bench along with Marlo Aquino. This is an opportunity for Coach Robert Jaworski to pace his key players.
1 out of 2 si Dignadice. The lead is 2 points para po sa San Miguel. Bola ng nakapulang Gordon Ginbors. Harencio. Hison. Wala yung tira niya. At teka, masyado atang hindi nagkaamo yan. Itong si Asaitono at Dignadice. Balik ang bola sa Gordon's Gin.
Well, Asaitono, I think, wanted to put a little mustard on that rebound. Kanya,
Pero mukhang
gusto niyang
naparami
bumawat
ata
ng, he wanted to hook that ball and instead of just getting the ball with 2 hands. Kanya, yung kanisa nang nangyayari, he
Mahirap kasi
tried to be a
palawat
little bit too fancy.
Gayoso. Naka-address na siya kanina.
Nice
turn!
move! Big rebound by Dignadice. That was a beautiful move by JV Gayoso. Hindi lang pumasok yung tira.
Masakit sa likod gawin yun eh. Yung ganong pihit. Totala kay Dick. Bigay nagulat si Dignadice doon sa pasa sa kanya. At nakaibalik sa San Miguel ang bola. Racela. Bigay kay De La Cruz. The jumper ni Art. Wala. Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Dignadice winning over Ong. Pinasa alam ko iba yung tira niya. Hindi. Takugan ng bola. Nakuha ni Wilmer Ong. At etong Gordon's Jane. Nakaabang ang depensa ng San Miguel.
Looking for
Gayoso!
a triple V!
Yes! It happened.
Yes! That's a third triple V by JV Gayoso. And yun ang sinasabi natin, major headache ito si JV Gayoso kung titira siya and he continues to wax hot from the outside. Because now San Miguel's defense will have to extend and that will leave an opportunity for Noli Locsin to execute and orchestrate and operate from the inside.
Samantala, Locsin. Talagang ayaw pahawakin si Asaitono. Final, pangatlo yan ni Noli Locsin. Lamang po ang Gordon's Ginbor, 72-71. 6 minutes and 56 seconds dito sa fourth quarter. San Miguel. Kailangan makapunta sila ito. At si Asaitono kanilang pupuntahan.
Well,
Eto
actually,
na.
halos hindi na nakakahawak ng bola ito si Asaitono, taking the shot from the outside.
At wala. Si Wilmer Ong ang may rebound. Hison. Siya naman kaya ang pupuntos. Si Gayoso nakadalawa ng 3. Nawala yung bola kay Vince Hison.
Well, Hison is really, really struggling with this game. He's really picking up the errors here.
Rosella, dino-double team, malayo. Tignan may isang libreng mama dito pero naka-adjust kagad si Wilmer Ong. 10 segundo pa para tumira ang San Miguel. Nakambihan ni Rosella. Sumagit set. Lumehap ng kaliwa. Pasok!
Nakalusot si Olsen. The lead shifting back now to San Miguel. He's looking very frustrated.
Pasa kay Harencio. Ngayon, kay Gayoso. Sa kaliwa naman dumiskarte. Pasok
Ayun
na
pa!
naman! Yung pala yung titira eh. He's got 3 this quarter,
Yeah.
Chinito.
One after the other. At yun ang sinasabi natin, yung depensa ng San Miguel Beer, parang pinapabayaan. We thought that he would extend to stop Gayoso, but I think they're very wary of Noli Locsin's inside game.
Para Asay Toro, kanina pa blanco-blanco dito sa quarter na to. De La Cruz, foul there on Wilmer Ong. And 2 free throws yan para kay Art
Parry
De
on
La
the
Cruz.
floor, yes. Actually, si Allen Kaidik ang bumabantay kay JB Gayoso at napapabayaan ni Allen Kaidik si Gayoso tumira sa labas.
At ang hirap kasi nun no? Kaliwa kanan kaliwa yung tres ni JV Gayoso, hindi lang sa isang spot
Yes, at
partner.
hinahanap nila si JV, no? Vince Hison, he actually starts the play and they also don't want Vince Hison to explode. He's a very good penetrator and Hison has been looking for the hot hand and it has been Gayoso.
Samantala, Art De La Cruz, very consistent in his offense. Eh, pagka napupuri mo, medyo nagkakasablay. Samantala, partner.
Yes, the Bureau of Immigration Commissioner. Kasama po natin dito si Edgar Mendoza watching the game.
And every time merong PBA games, tao mula sa iba't ibang lugar ng ating lipunan, nagpupunta sa Cuneta o kaya sa Araneta, nanonood ng basketball. Art De La Cruz, dalawa lamang sa kanila ng Gordon. Pareho niyang sinablay yung kanyang free throws.
Big free throw misses here by Art De La Cruz.
5 minutes and 27 seconds sa fourth quarter. 75-73 in favor of Gordon. Wilmer Ong. Yes!
Now that I think is a very major basket from Gordon's gym because it comes from Wilmer Ong while Marlo Aquino is sitting down. Malaking bagay yan for Gordon that they are able to keep San Miguel Beer at bay with Marlo Aquino sitting down as well as Pal David. At si Asay Tono halos hindi na nakakapuntos dito.
At
And the ball
tumawa lang palang bola.
going out.
Oo. Error
Always
pa.
good.
And really, Gordon Ginbors nakuha yung numero ng San Miguel dito sa second half.
Well, yung laro ni Asay Tono has really gone down here.
Arencio. Kay Hiso naman. Baka dito naman mag-init. Gayoso pumipwesto dun sa may kanang bahagi. Si Hiso nang tumira sa perimeter. Pasok
Yung
din!
pa. Now, yung outside shooting ng Gordon Gin, ito sinasabi natin, if they can't get the baskets in transition, their outside shot must continue to fall in. And so far, so good for Gordon Gin.
And I think it's a 20-second timeout being asked here by Coach Ron Jacobs. Walasin po yan sa inyo ng Bulldogs Super Glue. At natin kung mapapakinggan natin ang huddle nitong si Coach Ron Jacobs. Short but simple and focused. Instructions si Coach Ron Jacobs.
Well, he simply wanted to remind his players that they need to rotate defensively because when they double, there's a man that's open and they've been hurt by JV Gayoso, who's been the open man. Yung isa sinabi din ni Coach Ron Jacobs, penalty na ang Gordon Gin. Attack the basket so that you can get to the foul line.
David and Marlo Aquino back in harness para sa Gordon's Gin Board.
While the Gordon's Gin board looking now for the finishing kick. This is the kill, so to speak.
Kairik, 3-point bomb. Dud, the tip in, no go. Abuda, kinaliwa, foul ang tatawag doon. Labanan talaga sa ilalim. Loxin ang matatawagan ng personal foul.
Well, that time, San Miguel Beer keeping the ball alive after that missed triple by Alan Gaidik.
Ito yung labanan sa ilalim yan. Asa ito, no, gustong itaktak ng buong buo and really a battle inside. Kailangan kaliwain ni Abuda dahil matatapal siya eh.
Yan ang presence of mind and he misses. No!
No!
He makes the free throw. Kala ko.
May hulog eh, no? May
Oo.
hulog yung bola eh.
Kala ko hindi na papasok yun. Yan si Alan Kaidik, the trigger man. He had a hot first half, but he has cooled down here in the second.
Actually, 4 points na nga na-shoot ni Alan Kaidik. 4 dito sa quarter na to. At pagkatapos na hindi na uli nakashoot. Samantala, Abuda. Yun ang mintes yung kanyang
Yeah.
pangalawa. And the lead of Gordon is 5, 79-74. Ang oras po, kung gusto nyo malaman din sa fourth quarter, ay 4 na minuto, 10 segundo. Marami pang basketball kayong mapapanood. Correra Astrodome po ang venue ng PBA ngayong araw ng Martes.
Now Hizon hit his last shot. Baldavid again looking for the opening and he finds Marlo Aquino.
Yes! Nakapahinga yan eh. Maganda yung kilos sila ngayon at nga ngayon pala pinapawisan itong si Marlo Aquino at Baldavid.
Yan ang hindi natin nakita sa first half. Yung constant ball movement at saka yung movement ng mga player. Alan Kaidik.
Wala. At what a time for him to blow
Yeah.
goals. 81-74.
Yung rotation ng bola ay nandun na sa Gordon's Gin. Nawawala na yung San Miguel Beer. Medyo demoralized na din yung San Miguel Beer at si Nelson Azaitono hindi na nakaka-contribute.
At muntik pong mabigyan ng continuation to
Oo.
si Vince Season.
Well, if he had made that basket, he would have gotten the basket and the bonus.
At ito yung pinupunto mo, Kinito, yung communication ni Baldavid at Marlo Aquino.
Well, napabayaan ni Nelson Azaitono. Again, he took his eyes away from Marlo Aquino. You do not do that when Marlo Aquino is so close to the basket and inside the painted area on the penetration.
Samantala, Hizon looking for more points for him and Gordon Ginbors. Mintis sa kanyang unang free throw. Panghihinayang po. Makita niyo sa reaction nitong si Vince Hizon. Sana yan si Gayoso. Fantastic fourth
Yeah.
quarter.
JV Gayoso has really breathed fire here in the fourth period for Gordon's Gin. 1 out of 2, and that's a big 8-point lead that Gordon's is enjoying with 3:25 to go.
Kanina nakita nyo, napapakamot ng ulo si Coach Jong Wichiko. Samantala, foul away from the ball. Noli Locsin too close on the ball. Paldima na yan, partner ni Noli.
And of course, it will be a penalty situation, free throws for Nelson Azaitono. What hurt Gordon's Gin even more is the clock has been stopped here. And San Miguel has a chance to trim down the lead.
So Gordon committing 17 fouls dito po sa fourth quarter. Samantalang ang San Miguel, only 3 team fouls. There is Azaitono. Malakas. And the free throws have hurt them dito sa fourth quarter,
Yes.
Kinito.
Now they will give an extra shot for Nelson Azaitono because
Kulang.
the defensive team must have 3 players in formation along the box. JV Gayoso, 14 points tonight, 4 out of 4 from 3-point range. So 2 free throws still for Nelson Azaitono because Locsin was out of position on his first attempt.
It's still a miss para kay Nelson, partner. Marami nang naisasabay dito sa fourth quarter. Siguro ito yung pang-apat na nakita ko na. 2 kay Art de la Cruz, isa kay Abuda ngayon, isa kay Nelson Azaitono. Azaitono, quiet here in the fourth quarter and another miss. Pero sa kanya yung talbog muli. Bumangga minsan, wala pa rin. Abuda losing the ball. Gordon Ginbors. Pasa kay Naloksin. Yes, sirree.
Transition basket by Gordon's Gin. Now they're getting the job done. They're getting the transition points. Their outside shots are falling in. And San Miguel's defense is crumbling.
Dito, binabali na talaga yung likod ng San Miguel. 2 minutes 56 seconds dito sa fourth quarter. Racela, tumira. Pasok. Sagsagot yun.
A very meek reply coming from San Miguel Beer in the face of this major onslaught by Gordon's Gin.
At yung mamang may tanga ng bola, siyang pasimuno niyan dito sa fourth quarter, yung po si Gayoso. May ginagamit ng Gordon sa partner yung relo nila at, para ma-extend ang defense. David for the shot. Walang re-rebound ng Gordon sa tirang yun ni Baldavid.
3-point basket by Baldavid. Well, time was running out also on Gordon's Gin that time.
Well, mahaba pa rin to. Baka maging complacent din ng Gordon dito. Baka kala na tapos na ang boxing. Hindi. Meron pa tayong oras dito. 2 minutes and 16. Walo lamang nila. Azaitono. And the lead is down to 6 points, partner. With 2 minutes and 11 seconds, Gordon's Ginbors 84, San Miguel Beermen 78. Meron po tayong timeout. Well, the last 2 minutes is brought to you by new Premium Dry London Gin. Just right for you. And
Now, there was a 10-second violation, and the referees did not call it. There was 10 seconds on that clock, and Gordon's Gin was not able to get the ball across the timeline. And Ron Jacobs is still arguing why there was no call on the 10-second violation.
And still at it, itong si Coach Ron Jacobs. Total foul on Noli Locsin. Jacobs really arguing his point.
There was tremendous pressure on Gordon's Gin. They did not get the ball across on time, but there was no call on the 10-second violation.
And it allowed Gordon's Gin
To score in
2 points.
transition, yes. And that's a major, major miscue on the part of the referees.
And Sonny Jaworski replacing the fouled out Nolly Locsin.
Now, I cannot also understand how the referees could have let that go because it was so clear. Ron Jacobs wants a technical.
He's
Screaming at the referees.
Oh,
He's asking for it.
Sala.
That was a major, major missed call because it allowed 2 points for Gordon's Gin.
And some space between Gordon's and San Miguel in the last 2 minutes ng larong ito. Samantala, Asaytono canning the first of his 2 free throws, 86-79 dito sa fourth quarter. Asaytono for the second. Misses yung kanyang second free throw. 86 Gordon, San Miguel Beer 79. The pass going to Hison. Hison umatras.
Well, they're looking to kill the clock, and that's a good move on the part of Vince Hison. Rather than take the gamble, they've got a nice lead, and they're just sitting on that lead right now. Jaworski has done an excellent job here in the third period. Outside shot not there.
And chance for San Miguel. They're down by 7 points, a minute and 10 seconds. Rosella for the 3. No go. De La Cruz for the putback.
The lead chopped down to 5. It's still a major, major hump that San Miguel Beer must cross.
And foul there on Olsen Rosella. Only the 14th foul para sa San Miguel Beer.
Not yet in the penalty.
Well, yung oras po nakikita ninyo sa babang bahagi ng inyong television screen. 59.5 seconds remaining. 5 points ang lamang ng Gordon sa San Miguel. Coach Sonny Jaworski inbounding para sa Gordon's Gin Bors. Ayaw ninyo kumawala to para sa kanila, kaya siya na yung pumalit kay Nolly
Exactly.
Locsin.
That's why Robert Jaworski is here. And they need to be able to stop the clock. And Vince Hison
Oh!
getting away from the baseline, and a lapse on the part of San Miguel Beer to allow that basket without giving up the foul, and they were not yet in the penalty.
Well, meron po tayong timeout, kami magbabalik. Gordon's Gin Bors ahead by 7 points at yun po sa tabi niyan yung oras namang natitira dito sa huling quarter. Well, Mustre ngayon lang ipapasok muli ni Coach Ron Jacobs sa kupunan ng San Miguel. And we review the 5 for Gordon. Season, Jaworski, Aquino, Gayoso, David para naman sa San Miguel. Kay Dick, Mustre, Asaytono, and De La Cruz.
Well, less than a minute to go dito sa laro. Still a big 7-point lead, and looks like they're gonna go for a 3-point shot. And
Hindi
it doesn't
pumasok.
fall
Oh,
in.
quick to nang nangyari para sa San Miguel. Well, hindi pa penalty ang San Miguel. Pwede pa silang pumaul dito, Kinito.
Yes, and just 5 points, 48.3 seconds to go, and they're looking to foul.
Yes.
And immediately, Marlo Aquino was fouled. Now, what I also cannot understand is why Marlo Aquino was the recipient of that inbound pass. You know that he's not a good... Well, actually, they were not in the penalty. Tama yun. Tama yun. I
pwede
checked
pa.
myself. Akala ko penalty na pala sila. Because he would have been the man to foul kung penalty.
Oh, at tingnan natin itong inbound ni Jaworski. Nagkaguluhan. At nakuha ni Valdavid. Akala ko mawawala pa sa Gordon.
Now, they fouled Valdavid, who's a good free throw shooter. Now, in that play, and I want to check myself, Marlo Aquino was not in a position to get the inbound pass. Tama lang yun.
Guard De La Cruz fouling Valdavid. Kung San Miguel umaasang sasablay kahit isa, o baka pwede dalawa isablay dito ni Valdavid at mapunta sa kanilang bola. 44.9 seconds remaining. Ang labang po ng Gordons ay 5. Parehong in penalty na itong Gordons at saka San Miguel. Valdavid, the San Miguel slayer. Will the slaying continue?
And Valdavid scoring his first free throw. Now it looks like the San Miguel team is not in position around the box. And now they are.
At ito si Valdavid, pangalawang tira niya. Gagawin niyang mas komportable para sa Gordon. 14.6 assists. Another big night para kay Valdavid against San Miguel.
And for Valdavid, no need to miss that second free throw. And he makes sure.
Lamang po ang Gordons. Kami magbabalik. Yan po ang score at ilang segundo na lang. 44.9 seconds dito sa fourth quarter. Kay Dick.
And they will go for the quick 2 points.
90 to 85, the lead cut down to 5. Tignan natin, papaul kagad ang San Miguel dito kung hindi sila makaagaw at sila nga ang mangyayari dyan. Gayoso will go to the 4.5-meter line.
It's very good formation on the part of Gordon's Gin. They wanted to make sure the ball got into the hands of a good free throw shooter. JV Gayoso has been hot all night with 16 points so far, 4 out of 4 from Triple D range. And partner, no team has scored more than 90 points against San Miguel Beer in the entire conference so far. JV Gayoso has now made Gordon's Gin the only team to score more than 90 against San Miguel Beer in this conference.
What a night para kay JV Gayoso. 91-85. Mabigat yung mga pinakawalan niyang tres dito
Talagang
sa
mabigat.
quarter. Ha? Amo naman yung numerong yan. Oh. 4 sa 4.
And 2 out of 2.
92-85. Gordon's Gin lamang ng 7 points. Gusto nilang makascore kagad dito. Asa ito lumusob. Umangat! Pumasok. 3-point play na making para kay Nelson. Jaworski Sr. will be called for that foul. Plus ito could bring the lead down to
4
4
points.
points.
The lead has been chopped down to 5.
Pero free throws to. Marami silang minutes
Yes.
sa free throws dito. Kinito sa
Talaga,
fourth quarter.
marami. And Gordon's Gin is making its free throws on the other end. So malaking bagay din for Coach Robert Jaworski, preserving their lead because they're sinking the free throws.
Mintis pa yung tira ni Asaytono pero nasa kanila yung bola. At pasok yung tira ni Asaytono pero Alan Kaydik nasaktan pa.
And I think he must have hit his solar plexus.
Oo,
And he's in pain. He's definitely in
Oo.
pain. And
Oo.
he's writhing in pain.
Oo. Oy, parang masusuka si Alan Kaydik sa itsura niya eh. Nagbanggaan sila ni Nelson Asaytono at kumalabog yung kanyang likod eh. There he goes.
Oh, he has thrown up on the floor.
That's a concern for Alan Kaydik. He's hurt.
Well, I hope nothing serious has happened. But Alan Kaydik is in obvious pain and discomfort. He has thrown up on the floor. We have not seen this at all in the years that we've covering the PBA.
Oh, at,
He hit the floor hard.
well, kung mababalikan natin yung play na yun, siguro may natin kay Director kung bakit natin kung paano bumagsak si Alan Kaydik although he's trying to settle down sa puntong ito.
As it looks like he's calmed down, but his eyes are closed.
Ito yung banggaan. Nelson Asaytono, yun, kung hindi napansin nyo, nagbanggaan sila ni Nelson at dumagabag si Alan
Yes.
Kaydik.
And there's Alan Kaydik. He's still on the floor. And there's a look of concern on the faces of not only the San Miguel Beer players, but also the Gordon's Gin players.
Oh, dahil
Nobody wanted this. An accident has happened, and we hope Alan's okay.
92-89 ang score dito. 29.6 seconds ang nalalabis sa fourth quarter nang maganap itong aksidenteng ito kay Alan Kaydik.
Now, I don't think they're lifting him yet onto a stretcher. I saw him move his leg, so there's a little bit of movement now. But this lead has been brought down to just 3 points. Certainly a manageable lead with 29.6 seconds to go. But Alan Kaydik is still on the floor. He's hardly moving. He's taking,
Well, kung sa punto
he's
natin
breathing
ito,
heavily.
at parang kinakausap siya ng trainer nila, trying to settle him. Yes, the trainer trying to talk to Alan Kaydik or the doctor.
Well, I don't think it's wise to move him at this stage, which is the reason why he's still on the floor. I saw him earlier twitch his leg, but he's breathing heavily. Dr. Ben Salud is attending to him, and you see him there, holding on to Alan's shoulders and head. They want to make sure that he's all right before lifting him onto the stretcher.
Oh, dahil pagka napaaga ata yung buhat mong ganyan
Well, I
baka
know that
masama yun.
Alan's wife, Milot, is here, and I'm sure she's very, very concerned at what happened to Alan. And not only Milot and the San Miguel and Gordon's Gin players, but all the fans here at the Cuneta Astrodome
In fact, hindi makareact nga yung mga fans ngayon dito. Tahimik dito, kinito
Yes.
sa loob ng Kunera Asa doon sa nangyari kay Alan Kaydik. Okay, tignan nga natin muli kung anong nangyari doon. Sa ibang angulo naman, eto yan, paglaagawan. Well, it's the same angle na nakita natin kanina. Yung banggaan na ni Nelson.
And there he was. He fell heavily
Mhm.
on his back. And it's possible that he might have hit his head on the whiplash. And
Yeah.
take a look at Milot Kaydik. And you see her there on your screen. I think his head did hit.
Mhm.
His head did hit the floor.
Yung particularly yung
And
kanyang
that
batok.
whiplash,
No?
yes,
Aha.
that whiplash cost him this, well, it's apparent that it's a concussion.
Mhm.
He has thrown up and he's still not moving. Let's hope that there's no permanent damage, but
Well, Coach Sonny
well, the
Jaworski.
reason why they're not moving him is because I don't think he should move.
Mhm.
Someone who has suffered such a concussion,
Mhm.
Jaworski, I think Jaworski wants his play to resume, but he should be told that a man's life is in danger here. And no basketball game is more important than a man's life. Jaworski just threw the playboard that he was holding, saying that the play should go on.
So, yung lumostra niya kanina, dapat daw in-stretcher na si Alan Kaydik.
But I don't think you can just hasten this situation and put him on the stretcher because he has suffered a major concussion. It's very clear.
Well, Coach Jaworski
And there's
begging for
Robert
the
Jaworski.
begging for the play to the game to resume. Sa puntong ito ng laro, he's still down there si Alan Kaydik.
And Jaworski is motioning that someone should just pick him up. And finally, they're putting Alan Kaydik on a stretcher. Let's hope that there is no permanent damage here.
Well, yan po si Alan Kaydik. Kita nyo yung paghihirap na inaabot ni Alan Kaydik.
Well, this is not a joke. It's a tragic accident here, and Alan Kaydik is being lifted off the floor on a stretcher. And we hope to God he's all right.
At nakapikit siya, dadaan siya sa meta pa natin at nakapikit si Alan Kaydik.
His eyes are closed, and his best friend, Samboy Lim, is going over to his side. And Milot Kaydik is now going over to the dressing room to be with her husband. This is a tragic occurrence.
29.6 seconds ang nalalabing oras dun sa rebound play. Kung babalikan natin doon, na-rebound ni Nelson Asaitono yung bola. Pero dun sa rebound, nagkaroon sila ng contact ni Alan.
Yes, there was a major collision between Asaitono and Alan Kaydik. No one wanted that. And they finally resumed the game. 29.6 seconds to go. And Gordon's Gin leading by 3 points.
Ito, delikado na to. 3 points, 29.6 seconds. It's a much closer ball game. At kakalimutan muna natin bahagya yung nangyari kay Alan Kaydik to go on with his ball game. Of course, inaasahan natin na sana maging mabuti naman ang katayuan ni Alan Kaydik.
Totoo yan.
At wala namang...
That is certainly our fervent hope.
Mhm.
But ball's in play, and the game will go on. And it looks like they will give up the quick foul, and
Oh.
Baldavid is fouled here by Mike Mustre.
Yes, and 2 free throws yan.
27.4 seconds to go. Baldavid will again be at the stripe in a familiar role to turn hero in this game.
Well, si Yel Aguila mukhang may report, partner. At Yel, pakinggan natin ang report mo.
Yes, according to Dr. Ben Salud, he fell head first and vomited, and he might be suffering from cerebral concussion. From there, he has to be observed. Back to the panel.
Well, we did say that it looked like a concussion happened because there was that major snap of the head on the whiplash when the back of the head of Alan Kaydik hit the floor when he fell off the collision with his teammate Nelson Asaitono.
Samantala, Baldavid. Another free throw. Pasok pa rin yung kanyang free throw. 5 lamang po ng Gordon's Gin Bor sa San Miguel. 94-89. Tignan natin ang play ng...
Looking for a
yes,
three-point
three-point
shot.
shot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound play. Nakuha ni Abuda. Being pressed by Jaworski. Asaitono. Malayo to, interest niya. Pasok!
That's a big three-point shot by Nelson Azaitono. 13.8 seconds to go.
Just a 2-point ball game now. Gordon's Gin 94, San Miguel 92.
And they will foul quickly. Oh, they'll call the timeout, which is a good move on the part of Coach Robert Jaworski. That'll be a regular timeout so they can throw in at midcourt when play resumes.
Okay, magbabalik po kami ni Kinito. Wala na po ang score, pero hindi pa po final score yan. Meron pa pong 13.8 seconds dito. Tumingi ng timeout si Coach Jaworski. At sa ating game reset, parehong kupunan partner, merong nasa penalty. At ang Gordons, maraming pang timeout. May isang 20 seconds, isang full timeout pa sila. Ito na yung
Jaworski is going to inbound, yes, at midcourt. And you can expect a quick foul now from San Miguel Beer.
Jaworski napunta kay Vince Season. Nilapitan na siya. At yun, pinaul siya ni Mike Bustre. Well, Season kumakawala. Alam niyang papaulin siya.
Alam niya. And they wanted, of course, to get more minutes out of the shot and game clock. Actually, game clock because we're down to 12.1 seconds to go. Vince Season, he has struggled offensively tonight. And how many points does Season have?
Meron
He's
na
got
siyang 15
15
points.
15 points.
And 1 of 2 sa free throw line.
Vince Season needs to make sure with his free throws,
Pasok.
and he does make sure on the first. It's a 3-point lead. He needs one more as an insurance.
So 12.1 seconds remaining dito sa fourth quarter. Labanan ng San Miguel at Gordon. Lamang po ang Gordon ng tatlo. May free throw itong si Vince Season. Isa pa.
Yes, expect San Miguel Beer to call a timeout here if they get the rebound or if he makes the shot. But it doesn't look like they'll call the timeout. They will not call the timeout. Coach Ron Jacobs opts to go straight for the basket.
Pinawal naman ni Valdavid. That will mean 2 free throws para kay Olsen Rosella with 8.1 seconds dito po sa fourth quarter. 2 free throws para kay Olsen.
You know, not a good foul to give in this situation with less than 10 seconds to go. Now, San Miguel Beer now gets a lot of options on a free throw situation because Olsen Rosella can make the first, maybe intentionally miss the second so that they can get the rebound and then go for a 3-point basket. Who knows? Anything can happen. But maybe Rosella should have just taken the quick 2 and not get fouled.
Ngayon, pasok na yung unang end ng kanyang free throw and the options. Tignan natin kung anong sinasabi ni Coach Ron Jacobs dito.
Yeah.
Anong gagawin ng San Miguel? Tulad ng nabanggit mo, pwedeng isablay niya to. Tapos go for the offensive board and go for the 3-point shot.
What I can't understand is why Nelson Azaitono is not around the area where he can get the possible rebound.
Etong tira ni Rosella, pinasok niya.
Oh,
So
that's
the lead is down
probably
to
why
2.
they wanted to make the shot.
And here's the inbound. Aquino may bola. Napunta kay Valdavid. Paulin niya na yan. Hindi, naipasa niya pa kay Vinny dito. Itatakbo lang yan ng Gordon. At mananalo ang Gordon dito. Pag nagkataon, hindi pa. Mayroon pang isang segundo at may free throw pa si Hison.
A perfect opportunity for San Miguel Beer to give up the foul on Marlo Aquino. But he was very quick to release that ball. And what a smart play on his part.
Oh, parang patatas sa mainit ang ginawa niya
Exactly,
sa bola.
because he's not a good free throw shooter. You wouldn't want him to be at the line and give San Miguel Beer an opportunity to score again on the next offensive.
And Vince Season
Well, he can put this game on ice.
with his free throws. 17 points and 3 rebounds for Vince Season. He can ice the game para sa kanyang koponan. Season.
And he
Pumasok.
makes it.
97-94. JV Gayoso, player of the game. 18 points, 2 rebounds, 4 of 4 sa 3-point country. At of course,
And another player of the game, Marlo Aquino, 23, 12, 2 assists and 3 block shots. We couldn't decide whether it would be Marlo or JV, so we thought we'd give it to them both. And they certainly deserve the honors.
98-94. Merong timeout ng San Miguel. Kami magbabalik. Ang score at ang oras ganun din. Itong play ng San Miguel. Azaitono for the 3-point shot. So the final score, 98 ang Gordon Gin Boars, ang San Miguel 94. So Gordon Gin retaining. And look at Coach Ron Jacobs and Sonny Jaworski. Fun time for them.
Yes, and Robert Jaworski and Ron Jacobs, both of them very, very good friends off the court. And on the court, they know what their rivalry is all about.
Okay, so yan po ang ating final score. Magbabalik kami para sa wrap-up ng laro ng Gordon at San Miguel. Okay, yan po ang final score kung saan nagwagi ang Gordon sa San Miguel Beer 98-94 at isang laro na kung saan nakita natin si Alan Kaidikan nagkaroon ng aksidente. Well, sana po hinihiling namin na sana okay naman si Alan Kaidik pagkatapos ng laro. Samantala, hindi pa tapos ang negosyo dito. Ang ating Hardiflex Building Board, King of the Boards, yan po, mula po sa kupunan ng San Miguel Beer. Ang ating din kaninang
Si Art de la Cruz.
Player of the Week.
And getting another one of his rebounds. Total of 13 for the game. But partner, give credit where it's due. Robert Jaworski inspired Gordon's Gym to come back in the third period and fuel the major uprising that led to this victory.
Okay, yan po ang edition number 1 ng ating games dito sa araw ng Martes, April 29. Santa Lucia at saka Pure Foods maglalabanan sa ating susunod na laro. And boy, what a ball game that's going to be kinito. So,
Bakbakan yan.
Bakbakan yan. Pasasalamatan ko muna ng aking dekanong matangkad po
Maraming
sa akin.
salamat.
Kitang-kita nyo naman yan. At sa inyo dyan, do stick around dahil meron akong laro dito sa Cuneta Aso Dome.